Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today on Sunday. It's Sunday, September the 4th. Yes, on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles on Saturday. Yes. I have an edition of Saturday, September the 3rd. We have 3 puzzles left in the Saturday edition. The Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic with 1 star. And I will continue with the puzzles in this edition. And maybe if I have spare time, I will do also an Samurai Sudoku. A Samurai Sudoku. Cannot promise you, but we will see. Alright. The letter Sudoku number 5121. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. In this case, letters, not digits. 27 printed letters. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits or letters, the more it will be difficult. But for letter Sudoku, well, for a standard Sudoku with digits, 27, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. But for letter Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright. Okay. The letters I can use are the B, the L, the M, the A, the I, the G, the N, the S, and the E. Yeah, the E. Okay. And the goal is to solve this word in this row. It's a Dutch word. I will translate it in English. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which which letter can I use? Which letter can I use? How about well, we have here 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We have an A in this column, so no A there. So the A could be here, could be there. The S is missing also. Ooh, the S and the E is missing. Alright. E, A, and the G, yeah, G in this row, G in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the G should be there. 2 missing letters in the middle row, 4 letters A and E. We have an A in this column, so no A there. A should be here, and the E should be there. Alright, A. Alright. How about? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the E. We have here in the third row, so no E in these 3 boxes. Here we have an E in this column, no E in those 3 boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. E in one of those 2 boxes in this row, E in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left for the E should be there. E, yes, okay. Then. How about? GG. BM, the S. B and the M. 4 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the B and the M. We have a B and M in this big square, so no B and M in these two boxes. So the B and M in this column should be here or there. The B and M, we have a B in this row, no B there. B should be here, and the M goes there. Alright, so 2 missing letters now in this column for the letters. L is missing, and N is missing. We have an N here in this row, no N there. N should be here, and L should be there. A, E, and I. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is E. We have an E in the middle column, so no E in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the E. Should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. I is missing and an A is missing. We have an A in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no A there. A should be here and I should be there. Alright. I. BB. We need a pair. BB. E. A. S. Come on. It's taking too long. EMG. Well, EMG. Well, in this big square, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters, but 3 of those missing letters are the E, the M, and the G. We have an E and an M and a G in this row, so no E and an M and a G goes in these 2 boxes. We have an E and an M and a G in this column, so no E, M, G goes in those 2 boxes. So the E and M, G goes in those 3 boxes. Well, we have an M here in this column, so no M there, so the M should be here. The E, M, and the G goes in the other boxes. E, G, E, G, E, G, E, G. So what are the other 4 missing letters? The L is missing. Well, we have an L here in this column, so no L there, so the L could be here, could be there. And the L, the N is also missing. No N, and N should be here. We have an N in this column, N in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the N could be here. The N, the L, the A should be here. And the I. Well, we have an I here, so no I there. Here and I in this column, no I there. So the I could be here, could be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is M. We have an M in this column. No M in these 3 boxes. So the M could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have an M here. It's not correct. This I need to correct. We already have an M. So the M should be here. M in this column, M in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 3 places left for the M. Should be here, or there. We see an M in the third row. So no M in these 2 boxes. So the M could be here, could be there. S with L. SS. Oh, we already have S here. S in this row. S in the last row. So no row between. The only place left for the S should be there. S. One of these 3 marks is okay. I. BB. Alright. E. BB. Come on. The S. B. I'm thinking. E. Well, one of the missing letter in this big square is the letter E. We have an E in this row, no E there. We have an E in the first column, no E there. So the only place left for the E should be there. And I've eliminated the A, so the A goes there. 1 box left in this big square for letter S. So we have a pair, the S and the B in this row, the S and the B in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the S and the B goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. S and the B, S and the B. Alright. S in the third column, S in the second column. So first column, the only place left for the S should be there. So 2 missing letters now in the first column for the letters I and N. We have an I in this row, no I there. I should be here, and the N goes there. So here we have the E, the G, and the M, E, G, M. The other 2 should be the letters L and the A. L and A. We have an A in the third column, so no A there. A should be here, and the L goes there. So 2 missing letters in this row for letters I and N. We have an I in this column, no I there. I should be here, and the N goes there. We have found the word. The solution is in Dutch balsaming. In English, I think it's embalming. Yes. In 12 minutes. Wow. Well, quick. Let me continue. Yeah. Okay. So 3 missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing. We have an I in this column, I in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the I should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. The L is missing and the M is missing. L and M. Let me mark those. L and M. Alright. Then. Oh, we have an S here. S and a B. We already have an S there. So this box can be S anymore. That box should be an S. And this box should be a B. So we have an S in this column. S in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We see as S in the first row. So no S there. S should be there. S in this row. Third row, S in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We see an S in this column. No S there. S should be there. And I've eliminated the M, so the M goes here. Alright. Do we have all the S's? And all the S's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter S. The M in this row, first row, M in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the M should be there. Now we have M here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the L and the M. We have an M in this column, so no M there. M should be there, and L goes there. M in this column, M in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the M should be there. M in this row, M in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in the second column. So no M there. M should be there. And all the M's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter M. Alright. So two missing letters now. The E and the G are missing in this big square. E and G, we have a E in this second column. So no E there. E should be here. And the G goes there. Alright. Two missing letters in the last column. For letters E is missing and L is missing. E and L, well, we have an E in this third row. No E there. E should be here. And L goes there. Do we have all the E's? No. E in this row, E in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this column. No E there. E should be there. And all the E's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter E. Alright, two missing letters now in this big square. For letters L is missing. And the B is missing. L and B, L and B. We have an L in this column. No L there. L should be here and the B goes there. So we have a B in this column, B in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the B should be there. B in this row, first row, B in the second row. So third row, the only two places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in this column, no B there. B should be there. And all the B's are used. I can see letter number 4, letter B. Alright, two missing letters now in this big square. For letters G is missing, the G, and the N is missing. G and N, G and N. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. G and N. How about these two missing letters in this row? For the letters N is missing and the G is missing. We have a G in the middle column, so no G there. G should be here. And the N goes there. Alright. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters A is missing. And L is missing. We have an A in the middle column. No A there. A should be here. And the L goes there. Two missing letters in this. No. One letter is missing in the third column. For letter G is missing, I believe. G, yeah, G. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters I is missing and L is missing. I and L, we have an L in this third row, so no L there. L should be here and I goes there. L in this row, L in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the L should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters I is missing and N is missing. I and N, we have an I in the third row, so no I there. I should be here and the N goes there. Now we have an N there, so this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an N and this box should be a G. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku. So I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Do you think so? Yeah. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you later. Later with the other two puzzles. Sudoku with 2 stars and the Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.